I start a construction of an angles 15 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, 135 degree, and 165 degree. And I draw a ray any distance, and a center point, and that point draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle, and this point cut an arc. This point cut an arc. This point cut an arc. This is the point gives 60 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree, and I draw another bisect arc. This is this arc is join them lastly. This point and this point bisect another arc. This point and this point bisect another arc, and I draw this point this point and this point. This point called 30-degree angle, this point called 90-degree angle, this point called 150-degree angle. Another, I draw another arc, bisect this point, another arc, and this point bisect another arc, and this center point bisect another arc, and this point bisect another arc, this point bisect another arc, this point bisect another arc, This point bisect another arc. This point bisect another arc. This point bisect another arc. Lastly, I draw an arc, bisect this point and bisect this point. This point and this point, connect them. This point connect them. And this point connect them. And this point and this point connect them. This point and this point connect them by the ray. And this point connect them by the ray. And this point lastly join them by the ray. This is my angles. All angles are there. This is called 15 degree. This is called 15 degree. This is called 45 degree. 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 75 degree. 75 degree. These are 75 degree. 75 degree. This angle is 105 degree. This angle is 105 degrees, and this angle is 135 degree. This angle are 135 angles. These are last one is 165 degree. Lastly, I join them. This is the 165 degree. This angle is 135 degree angles. This is the construction of all angles. Thank you.